guys, it's Channon Rose, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for some time now, and I thought it'd be perfect because Friday the 13th is coming up, and I plan on posting this on Friday the 13th because it's probably one of the creepiest videos I have ever made on my channel. Besides like my haunted house videos, this is like the most recent creepy things that have happened to me, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the creepiest, spookiest things that have been sent to me in my P.O. box. So first and foremost, before I get into this video, because everyone always asks what's on my lips, what am I wearing on my lips? Today I'm wearing my lipstick in Cake. I hope that it's not sold out. It might be sold out by now because as I'm filming this right now, it's almost sold out. It is $16.50. It's cruelty-free, vegan, made in the US. I have two shades that are available. Cake, which is the nude color, and Colt, which is the red color. Like I said, I don't know if they're still in stock or not, but if they are, I will leave a link down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I think the best thing about these, really quickly, is that it feels like you're not wearing lipstick at all on your lips, and actually moisturizes your lips. Like, it doesn't dry it out. It has vitamins A and C, which help to moisturize in the formula, so it's just amazing, and I would highly recommend it. So yeah, that's what's on my lips. Okay, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna save the scariest one for last because it literally just gives me the chills, like, thinking about it. Ugh. So let's start with this first one because this one was pretty interesting. Some of you guys have already seen this. So this was sent to me by someone, and this was a baby shower gift for my baby. They sent the Satanic Bible for my baby. They also sent this, which I was like, what is this? So I opened it up. Anybody want to make a guess of what this is if they haven't seen it already? It is an upside down, like, pentagram cross. So that was in here. And this was sent to my P.O. box. It says, "Hi Shannon, this is my baby shower gift to you." That's what it says on here. And then they also sent scary stories. 3 more tales to chill your bones. So I had actually opened this up in one of my baby shower videos, I'm pretty sure, because I didn't know like what was in here. And I thought it was like a regular like baby shower gift, and a lot of people were like, that's so creepy, like I can't believe someone would send that to like your baby, you know, like that's sick. And then some people were like, those stories are so good, you should read some of them. So if you guys want me to make a video reading some of the scary stories out of these books that were sent to me, let me know down in the comments, because I can always do like a story time on someone else's scary stories and read them to you, so that could be fun. But yeah, so that was one thing that was like pretty creepy that someone sent me, a Satanic Bible, upside down pentagram cross, and like scary stories to read to my baby. So that's just one thing. Let's get into the next thing. So this was weird. This was also again sent to my P.O. box. It says ship to Her Majesty Channon Rose, which I thought that was kind of weird. And then I opened it up. This is what was inside. Was there something else in here? Oh yeah, there was a letter. I think that was it. Yeah. Okay, so I'll read you the letter. This is so creepy. So when you get something like this, you're like, what the hell? It says, nutrition facts, serving size, 1 hunk of cardboard, 2 calories. I don't know, it was just weird, right? So this is what it looks like. And then the note read, yo, you might be asking, what the f is this piece of cardboard? Pretty accurate. Well, we sent it to you because we think you're hot and successful. And because you're so hot, we'd let you in on the next trendy diet to share with your followers. It's called the cardboard diet. That's right, and it's about to change your life. After trying countless diet foods that looked good on the box, we finally just committed and ate the box. I mean, if you're gonna eat food that tastes like anyways, you might as well be eating cardboard, am I right? Cardboard is naturally gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, and vegan. Cardboard doesn't pretend to be someone it's not. So what are you waiting for? The Beach Bod is only 3 malnourished months away. Enclosed is your free sample. More free samples are available at your local grocery store, in the storage area, or at your local U-Haul. Who are we? Take the red pill and find out. So weird and freaking creepy. I don't know, like, who the fuck sent this to me, right? Like, what is the point? I have no idea, but this is some of the weird that I get sent in my P.O. box. So that was another thing. This is also pretty kind of creepy and really random. Someone sent me this. Faces of Death collection. And I don't know what this is. It says, Faces of a Death examines the many guises of death in the extreme close-up. Sure to shock, horrify, and even repulse, these brutal films are not meant for the faint of heart. It didn't say who it was from or anything. It was just randomly sent with no note. And it's funny because I, again, opened this in my baby shower, like unboxing video, thinking like, oh, it's like a baby shower gift maybe. And then being like, what the f? And then Travis was like, oh, that's really cool. Like someone sent that to you, like Travis was excited about it because I guess he's seen these before. But yeah, really random. So anyways, if you were the person that sent this to me, please let me know down in the comments. I don't even know what to say. Okay, this next one is interesting. Someone sent me a Ouija board. When I first opened, I think I actually have footage of me opening this. If I do and I can find it, I'll put it in here. Okay, so I just got this package. I thought it was a PR package. I open it up and it says, if you see her, you'll be the next to die. This is what it says. So I freak out immediately because I'm like, oh my God, I'm getting like a death threat package sent to my new house I just moved into. I don't think any crazy people have my new address. But lo and behold, I start opening it and then I decide that I'm gonna turn this around and it's from Loey. So Loey, thank you for scaring the out of me. This is like really freaky opening up. So whoever like put this together, like good job on scaring the out of me. Oh my God, there's a Ouija board in here. Loey Lane. There is a Ouija board. Wonderful. Do you guys know I threw out my last Ouija board because of issues? But yeah, it was really creepy because I opened this and the package just was really scary when I opened it up. It like really freaked me out and I stopped opening it. I was like, Travis, I can't open this. Like you need to open it because I was scared there's gonna be like anthrax or something crazy in there. And it ended up being from Loey Lane to promote her like scary story book that she put out. And so, thank you, Loey, for scaring the out of me. So yeah, she sent the Ouija board and everyone's like, get that thing out of your house. I haven't opened it, obviously. It's just been sitting around because I knew I wanted to make a video like this. And so, and then last but not least, this is by far the creepiest thing that I've been sent. And the interesting thing is that it wasn't sent to my home address. It wasn't sent to my P.O. box. It was sitting on my front porch underneath like our mat, like our porch mat. This is what it looked like. There was nothing on it. It wasn't addressed to anybody. It was sealed. Obviously I've opened it because I thought it was like from our gardener, maybe like a bill from our gardener or something. I don't know. Normally our gardener like mails our bills to our actual home address. So I thought it was weird. Maybe I thought it was like from the neighbor. I didn't really know who it was from, but I didn't think it was something like sketchy. So I just like grabbed it and brought it in, opened it up, and just about had a heart attack because, let me just show you. Again, totally blank, nothing on it. All that was inside was this. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this was actually a picture taken from outside my office window. And if you know my house, you know that like my office window, you have to go through my backyard onto the side of my house because on this part of the side of my house, there's no access to like, there's only one like side gate you can get into my backyard, if that makes sense. And you have to go around the whole backyard onto the other side of the house to get this picture. The scary thing is that this was taken in broad daylight. Like whoever took this picture, for one, knows where I live. Two, is taking pictures of me like in broad daylight going outside in my backyard. Like that's so creepy. I've had issues with like stalkers in the past. I've made a video about this. I don't know if this is the same person. I don't know why like someone would do something like this. Like obviously it's to scare me and let me know that they're watching me. Creepy and weird, like to know that like you have someone taking pictures of you and letting you know like, hey, listen, just so you know, I'm watching you. The problem is, you guys, like we can make police reports and all these different things, and we've done this in the past with other people, but like nothing really gets done about it. I think that's why these people continue to do these type of things. But yeah, this is by far the creepiest thing I think I've ever been sent so far. A lot of people always think like, oh my gosh, Shannon, you're so paranoid with stuff. I don't know, maybe I am paranoid, but that's probably like one of the reasons why, is because there's weird people out there. When you put yourself out like online on the internet, like you kind of put yourself out there for weirdos, and trust me, I get a lot of them. As you can see, these were just some of the things that were sent to me that are really creepy and weird. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and let me know if you want me to make a scary story video where I read some scary stories out of those books I showed you. Thank you to all the creepers that sent weird to me in the mail so that I can create this video for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.